在肯雅有一间起伫咧沙漠内底学校，因为当地教育资源是真欠缺，所以这间学校就正做学生学习的希望。伊希望伫遮会当学到新的电脑的技能。
在肯雅北部的图尔卡纳有一栋设计正野望有红色挂边建筑物，在沙漠当中，伊其实是一间学校，咧回来自全国各地的学生，甲所谓科技知识。
There are some artificial intelligence software that would edit some music.
无论是用 AI 软体，或者是设网站进行影像设计，这拢是沙漠学校所教的范围。因为肯雅真济偏远地区硬体设施无够，网络通讯也无稳定，不少人选择到沙漠当中来上课，减少缺少设备的问题。学校为自控年设立了后，已经超过680个学生。
Having built up a campus like this that offers these chances to do IT stuff and design, it's something really nice that this campus has done. And the other thing that I like about it is we don't get to study for that long. They only give us the skills that are very important at the moment, and they help us explore the market.
大部分的课程时间差不多是1年。在第一阶段训练结束了后，学生应针对个别需求进行特定技能专业培训，为找头路增加优势。
This level ideally prepares them for the real world jobs. And so after here, we expect that with many programs that we partners that come along, they would probably be working in different fields. And we also train them in these skills so that they can be freelancers.
不过，肯雅是受气候变迁影响严重的国家之一，这间学校更多伫沙漠地带，师生瓦课校舍甲学生宿舍的特殊设计，在这样热天气之下拍拼来学。公司新闻杨干编辑。